Namaskar, good morning students. We are having a class of Rajasthan history, Sisodias of Mewar. And in Sisodias of Mewar, Maharana Sajan Singh. We are going to study about Maharana Sajan Singh 1874 to 84. Okay. He was son of Shakti Singh of Bagor. So again belongs to Bagor. Again, an adopted son of Shambhu Singh. Maharana Sajan Singh was an adopted son of Shambhu Singh. Participated in Delhi court in 1877. Okay. One important fact: participated in Delhi court 1877. Who was the ruler of Mewar who participated in Delhi court 1877? He was Maharana Sajan Singh. 14th February 1878. Important pact. It was Salt Pact, or you can say Salt Treaty. Whatever you want to write, Salt Pact or Salt Treaty. Salt Pact with Britishers, EIC. Salt Pact with Britishers, EIC. East India Company. And due to this Salt Pact with Britishers, thousands of people lost their job. Okay, thousands became unemployed, or you can say thousands of people lost their jobs. So this was a negative work done by Maharana Sajan Singh, whose impact on public was very negative, and thousands of people lost their jobs. Administration and judiciary. For administration and judiciary, he formed a committee or an association. For administration and judiciary, he formed a committee and association which was known as Mahendra Raj Sabha. What was the name? Mahendra Raj Sabha, or you can say Maha Indraj Sabha. These are the two names. One is Mahendra Raj Sabha, or second one is Maha Indraj Sabha. Was formed by Maharana Sajan Singh for administrative and judicial works. Okay. 1881. He performed a census. Who was the first to perform census in Mewar? 1881. He was Maharana Sajan Singh, and rebellion of Bhils started. It gave birth to rebellion of Bhils. 1881 census gave birth to rebellion of Bhils. Bhils revolted because they were unknown about aim of census. They do not know what was the aim of census. So they revolted. Who? Bhils revolted because they said, we are completely unknown about real aim of census. We do not know why this census is performed. Census is done. Okay. Forced on cleanliness and lightening in Udaipur. Maharana Sajan Singh forced on cleanliness and lightning in Udaipur. Who was the ruler who forced upon cleanliness and lighting facility in Udaipur. He was Maharana Sajjan Singh, or he was the ruler to improve cleanliness and lighting facilities in Udaipur. Okay, he empowered educational system. These were the social awareness works done by Maharana Sajjan Singh. He empowered or strengthened, you can say anything you want to write, empowered educational system. Who was the ruler to empowered educational system? He was Maharana Sajjan Singh again in Mewar. By establishing high school, how he empowered education? By establishing high school, girls school, okay, Sanskrit school, Sanskrit schools and primary schools. So, who was the ruler? Empowered educational system, high school, girls school, Sanskrit school and primary schools in Mewar, Maharana Sajjan Singh. Okay, started printing press. He started printing press. Who was the ruler to start a printing press in Mewar? Again, Maharana Sajjan Singh. So, very important ruler, started printing press and Sajjan Kirti Sudharak. Okay. Weekly publication, started a weekly publication of Sajjan Kirti Sudharak. Okay, library, started a library. Who started library? Maharana Sajjan Singh. What was the name of library? It was Sajjan Vani Vilas. What was the name of library started by Maharana Sajjan Singh? Library was Sajjan Vani Vilas. Walter Ladies Hospital. Walter Ladies Hospital. Walter Ladies Hospital on name of Colonel Walter, named after Colonel Walter. Okay, Walter Ladies Hospital was named after Colonel Walter. Remember, Sajjan Hospital on his own name. So Ladies Hospital was on name of Walter, and Men's Hospital, that was known as Sajjan Hospital. Sajjan Hospital was on his own name. 23rd November 1881. 23rd November 1881. Who was Governor General? Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon honored him with the title. What was the title? What was the title given to Maharana Sajjan Singh by Lord Ripon? That was Grand Commander of Star of India. Grand Commander of the Star of India. This was the title given by Lord Ripon to Maharana Sajjan Singh. Okay, what was the title? Grand Commander of the Star of India. After, so very important ruler, many achievements, many works related to social awakening. We have to study him. Once again, I will repeat. Sajjan Singh 1874 to 84. Shakti Singh, son of Shakti Singh Bagor. What was the name of father? Shakti Singh, belongs to Bagor. Participated in Delhi Court 1877. 14th February 1878, SALT Pact with Britishers, EIC. Thousands of people lost their jobs. Administration and Judiciary, Mahindra Raj Sabha. Okay. 1881, he performed a census and it gave birth, or it leads to rebellion of Bhils unknown about aim of census. Forced on cleanliness and lightening. He forced on cleanliness and lightening in Udaipur. Empowered educational system by starting or by opening high school, girls school, Sanskrit schools and primary schools. He started a printing press and started his own weekly publication, Sajjan Kirti Sudharak. Sajjan Kirti Sudharak. This was the name. He started a library. Name of library was Sajjan Vani Vilas. Walter Ladies Hospital on name of Colonel Walter. Sajjan Hospital named after himself. And on 23rd November 1881, Lord Ripon. 23rd November 1881, Lord Ripon honored him with the title. Title is important. Grand Commander of the Star of India. Grand Commander of the Star of India was title given to Maharana Sajjan Singh by Lord Ripon. Okay. Now let's study about Maharana Fateh Singh. Okay. So let's study about Maharana Fateh Singh. Who was Maharana Fateh Singh? Adopted son of Maharana Sajjan Singh. Adopted son of Maharana Sajjan Singh and real son of Dal Singh of Shivratti. He belonged to Shivratti. ठीक है. Maharana Fateh Singh adopted by Sajjan Singh, son of Dal Singh of Shivratti. Okay. 1884 he came to throne. His coronation took place. Okay. 1884 he came to throne. And 1889 he started Walter Krit Rajput Hitkarini Sabha. Walter Krit Rajput Hitkarini Sabha was established by 1889 Maharana Fateh Singh. Okay. What were the works, motto of Walter Krit Rajput Hitkarini Sabha? What was motto? To ban multi-marriage system. To ban multi-marriage system, extra expenditure on functions like marriage, extra expenditure on functions like marriage, and abolition of child marriage. Abolition of child marriage. These were the mottos of establishing Walter Krit Rajput Hitkarini Sabha, and as name indicates, Walter Krit. So who was President? Walter. Colonel Walter was president of Walter Krit Rajput Hitkarini Sabha. 1889 Walter Krit Rajput Hitkarini Sabha, and in 1889 again, 1889 Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria. At the time of Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria, at the time of golden jubilee of Queen Victoria. He built Victoria Hall. He built a Victoria Hall in Sajjan Vilas Garden. Where he built Victoria Hall? Sajjan Vilas Garden. Who built Victoria Hall? Fateh Singh. Where? Sajjan Vilas Garden. Okay. Prince of Britain Connaught came to India. Prince of Britain came to India. What was the name? Connaught. Connaught. As you all know about Connaught Palace, Delhi. So, Connaught was the Prince of Britain who came to India, and Fateh Singh built Fateh Sagar as Connaught Dam to honor Prince Connaught. Initial name of Fateh Sagar was Connaught Dam. Name was given by Fateh Singh Connaught Dam, but at the time Connaught or Prince gave the name Fateh Sagar. So name Fateh Sagar was given by Connaught. Okay. 1899 severe famine. It was the time of severe famine in Mewar. In 1899 there was a severe famine. Where? Mewar. Famine relief works were started, but that was not enough. Means famine was very severe. Famine relief works were started, but they were not enough. And 8 lakh people died in this famine. 8 lakh people died in a famine in 1899. 1903 he reached Delhi. He reached Delhi to participate in Delhi court. So, first Delhi court, that was 1877, and in 1903 Fateh Singh reached Delhi to participate Delhi court, but returned back. Why? Important. Returned back. Why he returned back? Returned back after reading. He read something there. What was that? Chetaunira Chungtya. Who was the writer of Chetaunira Chungtya? Who was writer of Chetaunira Chungtya? Kesari Singh Bharat. So, he reached Delhi to participate in Delhi court, but returned back from station after reading Chetaunira Chungtya by Kesari Singh Bharat. Okay. In December 1911, King George V. December 1911, King George V organized a court. December 1911, King George V organized a court in Delhi. Okay, Maharana met him on the station and returned back. Did not participate. Maharana met him at station and returned back. Okay, so he again did not participate in court of King George V. Returned back from railway station. Okay, established new squadron, Mewar Lancers. Shambhu Paltan, Mewar Bhil Corps, and this was Mewar Lancers. Force, Mewar Lancers. Okay, which was the force formed by Maharana Fateh Singh? It was Mewar Lancers, or force, or you can say squadron. This was also known as a squadron. So his squadron was Mewar Lancer. Mewar Lancer was a squadron initiated by Maharana Fateh Singh. Okay, took part in World War I. This Mewar Lancers took part in World War I. Mewar Lancers took part in World War I. Which squadron of Mewar took part in World War I? It's an important question. Mewar Lancers. And Mewar Lancers was formed by Maharana Fateh Singh. Okay. He was the ruler of Mewar, having only single marriage. Single marriage until his first wife lived. Till his first wife was alive, he had only a single marriage. He performed second marriage after death of his first wife. Second marriage after death of his first wife. Okay, so let's revise. Maharana Fateh Singh, adopted by Sajan Singh, son of Dal Singh Shivrati. 1884 he came to throne. 1889 Walter Kurt Rajput, Hitkarini Sabha, and Colonel Walter was president. And what was the motto? To ban multi-marriage, extra expenditure on function, abolition of child marriage. These were the main mottos of Walter Kurt Rajput, Hitkarini Sabha. 1889 Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria. He built Victoria Hall in Sajjan Vilas Garden. Prince of Britain came to India, and he constructed a dam named as Connaught Dam in honor of the prince, and then prince named Connaught Dam as Fateh Sagar. Fateh Sagar was name given by Connaught. 1899 severe famine. Okay, there was severe famine in Mewar. Famine relief works were started, but these works were not enough, and 8 lakh people died due to hunger or due to famine, you can say. 1903. In 1903, he reached Delhi to participate in Delhi court, but returned back from railway station after reading Chetawni Ra Chungtia, written by Kesari Singh Bharat. December 1911, King George V organized a court. Maharana met him at station and returned back. Again, he did not participate in Delhi court in 1911. So, who was the ruler of Mewar who did not participate in court of 1903 and 1911? Again, Fateh Singh. Force. He formed a new force or new squadron named as Mewar Lancer. Mewar Lancer was the squadron of Mewar who took part in World War I. Only single marriage he performed, or he had only single marriage until his first wife lived. Okay. Second marriage, he performed second marriage after death of his first wife. So, he was a strong opponent of multi-marriage system. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Like, subscribe, or maybe dislike. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you may get notification of the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Best of luck for your exams.